In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display your CFA Level 1 accomplishment on LinkedIn. For those who have successfully passed the Cfa Level 1 exam or are on their way to becoming a chartered financial analyst. Showcasing this achievement on your LinkedIn profile is essential for career advancement. LinkedIn is a powerful tool for networking and professional visibility. And highlighting your CFA progress is an excellent way to engage with peers and potential employers. Let's start by opening your browser and heading over to LinkedIn. Once you're there, log into your account. If you already have a LinkedIn profile, you can sign in using your existing credentials. LinkedIn offers flexibility, allowing you to log in with your Google or Microsoft account, or simply by using your email address and password. After successfully logging in, navigate to your profile page. You can do this by clicking on your profile picture, usually found at the top of the LinkedIn homepage. This step leads you to your personal profile where you'll add details about your CFA achievement. Now that you're on your profile page, look for the Add Profile section button. This button is typically positioned toward the top, just below your profile summary and picture. A handy feature for personalizing your professional presence. Click on this button and a menu will appear. From this menu, you'll see several options. Go ahead and choose Recommended, and then select Add Licenses and Certifications. This section allows you to officially showcase your CFA Level 1 success. You will now be prompted to provide details about your certification. For the title, you might enter CFA Program Level I, or Chartered Financial Analyst. CFA Charter Holder, if that's applicable. It's crucial to ensure that this information is both accurate and reflects your current status in the CFA program. Clarity here helps anyone viewing your profile instantly understand your standing and expertise in finance. Once you've entered the title, add a brief description. This description can include important details like the year you received your charter or the specific exam year you passed. If you haven't passed yet but are preparing to, it's best to avoid stating an expected date, as it could potentially mislead connections or employers reviewing your profile. After filling out all the pertinent details, don't forget to hit the Save button. This step secures your hard work, ensuring it's visible to your entire professional network. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, your CFA Level 1 accomplishment will now stand out on your LinkedIn profile, ready to catch the eye of industry peers and potential employers alike.